Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly preview your projects over at Canva. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into Canva, and you want to select the project that you want to preview. So basically, here's what the dashboard looks like, and if I were to preview one of my projects, you could either navigate to the projects folder right here, or you go to home as the preview for the projects is much larger. And the way to do this is quite simple. And because everything is integrated into Canva, like the functions and whatnot, all you have to do really is hover over the project to see its slides. So as you can see here, I'm able to preview the contents of this project by simply hovering my mouse or my cursor over the project. And you can do the same for the others. So you can see here, here's a Christmas one. Here's one for crypto, and that's honestly all it takes. So yeah, that's video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.